Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I am going to tell you 5 points if you are really interested in learning English, and if you follow the points that I am going to reveal in this video, I can guarantee you, dear friends, you will learn English within no time. So without much delay, let's get started. Point number 1, engage in role plays. Practical real-life scenarios like ordering food, asking for directions, or attending an interview. Role-playing helps you build confidence and prepares you for real-life conversations, dear friends. Point number 2, join English-speaking groups. If you're the part of local or online communities where English is the primary language, engaging in group discussions or activities, improves your fluency and listening skills. Point number 3, use flashcards for vocabulary building. Create flashcards with common English words and their usage in your sentences that you are speaking in your day-to-day life. Review them daily and try to incorporate all these words into your conversations. Point number 4, shadow native speakers, dear friends. Choose a speaker or a character you admire or mimic their speech patterns, accent, and tone while watching videos or listening to audios. This technique, we call it shadowing technique. Number 5, set speaking goals, dear friends. Set small goals which is achievable, like learning 5 new phrases a day or having a 10-minute conversation in English. Gradually all these practices will increase the challenges as you improve your English. If you are implementing all these techniques consistently, I can guarantee you, dear friends, you will gain confidence and improve your English speaking skills effectively, and within no time you will be smart enough to learn this language called English. I hope you have gained something by watching this video. Thank you.